Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Igloo models. Both of these machines are designed for efficiency and convenience, making them perfect for home kitchens, offices, and parties. But which one truly stands out? We'll be examining their speed, design, and features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to speed, the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker takes the lead, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes for 8 cubes. This makes the Sweetcrispy a better choice for those who need ice quickly, especially during parties or gatherings. However, both machines still offer impressive daily production rates of around 26 pounds. In terms of design, the Igloo Ice Maker shines with its compact 7.3-inch width, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy is slightly larger, but includes a convenient carry handle for portability. Both designs are stylish, but if space is a concern, the Igloo may be the better option. Another key difference lies in the ice size options. The Sweetcrispy offers 2 sizes of bullet ice, catering to various beverage needs, while the Igloo produces a single size of cylinder-shaped ice. This versatility in the Sweetcrispy makes it more appealing for users who enjoy different types of drinks, from cocktails to water bottles. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo countertop ice makers have their unique strengths. If you prioritize speed and versatility, the Sweetcrispy is the way to go. However, if you need a compact and stylish option, the Igloo might be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.